TSC, me one kwa, me one ding, me well ready, me say do. I did that me wo.
And at this moment, no, Omo in the entertainment industry, Omo bloggers, Nina, Omani Eden is room, and answer Nana KD, and as an Anako Kudia, Atra Nanum, Ewa, and Royum Tuni, but who am a new one, social media, Biade, Nana KD, and a trend. Now concerning that, no, Yaa Yeboah, Bulldog, and Nana from Ziega, I've reacted to that on United Showbiz. Obia bet they will name what I say, pair their little experience of having with Nana KD before Obabe won. Obia sharing the side of the story. I have Penyah Block Media. Mess was any demo. Oba like a video, no other one. What subscribe button, so I can keep notification and connect habit. Now better why you and their mammy, our comment section. Maso Baswa. No, she be the moment so any be ashe. It's back here and run and pop up on the internet as Nana KD. Atwa anase Nana KD and the dinner in Nana Kwakuda. Oya yum to me. What for an unknown. And said, in case who knew about Croya, let's watch this interview.
TSC, me one kwa, me one ding, me well ready, me say do. I did that me wo, and yet I did that me wo. Just say, okay, I did that me wo. Then say, you know, say you are.
Well, I did too.
And she did that me wo. I don't know. She know the two no I'm foot in a while, and because I'm a master the language. Into me, I meet me born here. Obertin says in Entesa, and then the bomber and you know, it's a mature system. Maybe, maybe you know, but minimum will be so.
Also, trick, no?
Yeah.
And you to shall say, baby.
With the madam for you say, may I say from my name, and then now my beers name is a school hall. The me who say, baby, a water. A system and to umpo would in United would this year. May or milk to quite a soap garden because I do not say garden. Until you as a Christian and as a Nankaba Fiona, you'll be any saying I'm some day, Upo umpo. Ye the bejo. Until me Kaiser and Mamma, ye free baby Carol's night. A call a fear feel.
Number
12
nights.
But now I'm a Ferrari Dentino, I'm a Bob Malacas. Nakaba Solensono near Bokungas. The Mishano, I didn't manage instrument and managing Hopai Kungas. The Mitmagina Menaso Bokungas 4 hours non stop. Intina my ere. Timabusha Funya Mudimatama. No, I said. But you don't say, let me say exercise.
Okay.
And you know, me a woman, I'm a bass, I see so many 7. Na I didn't rame. But now, me, man, no 7 to 9, me started with Kongano.
And do born in Theodore say?
Because I had said at the age of 7, I just said, medical secondary school, we in 1982. 2 years now, I'm starting Honey Love. That's 1984. So we're talking about, let's say, 30 years now.
OBA secondary school. Conca's player.
I'm a boy, sorry.
Now, I'm about to Bashabo.
Oh, I'm a free. Nankaba Soloko, maybe a Presbyterian.
Oh, do free a Bushia, sorry, no, I am Nankabano. And I'm a Presby. What tell home. Because we are saying, I say, you want to baby, I would deny would swing us and no swing baby. Now, when the revolution started, okay.
Also, me book on Gassano. I saw the phone in who say, I damn a bass or not, so I that's so. And I'm so, I can't come in here, say, and Pabwa, also will be a woman, you know, now whole life. And I'm a Presby, so for that way, Krubu, TM, friend. Mr. Jacob, on the place before I saw the Penyah. And I'm say, Mr. Jacob, I saw me bay, and Papa made the bay. Unquay, take a bay. Oh, Mamma, sick, let's go to Papa. I was saying, and I want to be just sorry. And since 1987, as we speak, means I saw them.
Because my almost
coaching fee. The point is, and then, one man church, no machine, because some. It will be a war smart day. So, so many feeling. Yeah, me feel it because me, my name about Congress. 4-6 hours so.
I
feel quite do baby na me to be. Into hono no be because it is also a voice so into revolution start with one person.
For this interview, Grandma because I did not own him the ever to because when interview national or interview or restoration. That's what can a woman ceremony at the number for go I did not own him the ever was interviewing any recent interview or before the baby. I said this was the recent interview and another KD and son of Babina said, I'm aware no Abbey Arawasem. Now, new watch no. I was an every banana ACCA. Me cry me to Adaka, or I say, me cry me or die for Adaka Senka. No, me the Comabusi and 4. Say we have 4 young women, Yenina Yadia, and Kumania Kumufa, AC and Anakidi. Where the delivery guy no that never tell you do yawa for the road inside. Well, Mama Bokas through the guy do yawa. What I say, the guy do serious yawa. I am not cracking joke around this issue, but as a man for live, a man for be happy. They are not KD, what one of them and said, now, new watch no. I was Yaa Yeboah, Nana from Ziega, any bulldog on United Showbiz, Omina Abel reacted to that. Never just will be a air cancer.
Yeah, but quite shocking me, partner. So be our band that the kid the power. Or shall who see ye pa. Eti me say me tese wa yare ana mwa. If you say so who daddy kid ya 56 years now ka 4 years and manya 60 years. But who the 1994 daddy kid na ni ni who na sana not here. Dey make what I say. Na we will be out to say or shall who see it is said BBC by now all of a sudden or shall no kwasa in fact me na because me need to come a lot. Now me engaging a lot because I said there was a time be a same be or catch me for time or be a tourism ambassador. Okay, LPP time. Omi yin kophobia the creative you know. So no cat tourism ambassadors no. Eti na me need to come on or catch me say. Sa time na theater be no ma promise no kumase no. Na wa fight to a certain level be no pay investors be. Ama come aba be theater no. Kumase but people were frustrating him. In fact, the beer be share me beer me need to come beer no kasade. Na o share na Ghana than akoma so especially Ashanti region the beer fee say Kumase say the beer only need to come out persist like a Kumase quickly better say in crime. So na you do come sa na there. In fact, ya share normal. He dedicated from Honey Love. It's a one arrested. You get me? I buy for 8 albums and 9 albums and I release here. It was good. What else can I say? Or buy for from 1994 near Kaise. Honey Love, you drop off from near Bond Reduce, near Monidin. Yes, yeah, publicity and all that. Those days, no. Now a strategy I know use because no social media no. It may Monidin, a bomb and one on a DJ's name Monidin. That was a strategy. So then Kofi say a dad lumba. Because that time lumba so say a buy and chain. Tina I am Kofu Timu Kasana and Sana album dan kasa e ba. You will say there was a time you also said it somewhere say omubisa and say so any delay and omubisa and say na say o sounded to say lumba do. No say ade bia wo pe bia no utimi say sadem. So you paid yes I homage to that lumba. So later on and you who say one lumba ntema ba be some way. Now I'm happy say they reconciled before answer of film. Okay, I come from 4 show be about last 2 years. Lumba was performing and Daddy KD Mantle platform on Okoko Bam and the Lumba asked the crowd to applaud that Daddy KD and hail him. Emma of Freddie McCrady article, the long article be near this. So I'm happy says I don't know died of Ansana, Daddy Ephraim. In fact, Yashradi, honestly speaking, because they share omo generation it looks like say omo active no, we don't see them again. So the Michi because omo were to take the mantle from Daddy Lumba. So it will show omo group no obiti say Daddy KD though they're fine. Then near feed by bit me categorize no. And then after bit so for Yan Ponsa, Kofi B, Kofi Nti, Mone Sa no money na. Now for Yan Ponsa is no more when you're active. yes, Alberto but say or release show. So Chama didn't be my high life the typical high life data. You know, as it looks like say high life is vanishing. So yes, I lose another soul. I'll bo high life ban how you wish you say Yankopon and funny crazy in the arms of our Lord Jesus Christ.
Me want me phone so me didn't comment na me share a man for status and I me who say me ba blogger be TED news and I me who saw there too so me yamu shame me na me say oh when cause me kai as freshly say be 1 or 2 weeks ago no na Romeo show so omo bon komo ana no kasa anyum to fo omo hu chire omo na sika ni ho ni ade so I was honestly really surprised say esi me de koto sorry some 1 or 2 entertainment platforms be mu no omo confirm we say yeah no cry and then the next question I me busa me who said dear na yeah no because he looked very healthy na oh, he doesn't look like Obi Awayaria da honi ade Empress. That begs the question, say, how often do we do our checkups as people?
When was the last time I heard it?
Yes. So I asked myself, hey, and me babe they are able to me I check and I say, yes, see me ni ho bi omni ade because the man looked very healthy, not showing you know. No, I'm just saying it could happen, but ain't see
something. But if I can learn.
So, Mestre say, ejuma na ye no. You see, we sacrifice so much for your ejuma ye. Who to me PFF anopa obebe fie no. Na ade achi, you don't get enough sleep. Na what's that story? But you see, the thing is that when you die, life goes on. Ebiani say when we show anaya billing was we, the show is still going on. And I think say as individuals, especially as creative people, no so because the ejuma na very demanding and tedious, put yourself first at all cost. Me nkai Ghana for you. Me kai say yeah papa President Mills enya ni baby koye. Within the next few hours we swore in another president. So life will go on whether you are there or not. Intimate stress wo tie ni a ejuma wo ye no edi with time ebia wo nya kwan enko cheke wapomudin mu wo hwe wo hu ye udidi basabasa eni ade ye be hye ye nina I mean well I can't speak for everybody but me ankasa so no me ye bi nti ebia wo say ye ma ye ni you know I was say ye hwe ye hu ye I was say ye hwe ye hu ye one encounter me need that akedi nya me nya kwan interview no
okay
and he is such a lovely person. But one thing I didn't understand is as a Mrebia Okasa, he had so much to complain about. And Nana Romeo Kabibi said he was battling with some emotional and depression and whatever. So I'm really wondering what was really going through his head. What am I saying? He's such a fine musician. Ninyumba kwa oboya, nyumno na metunso na mentiasi. Ni nyumi principle shima me ro hwe ono be try me lyrics na nza na me hu say sa na wo ka wo nyum nim so I think say I was see hwe ye hu ye as individuals hu be hia pa na meme busuafo so shedding me ti ye say na busuafo kra ni Ghana mo wo Germany because at the time ade ni say utumi say no nko ana oye dem owo ho nti ebusuafo shedding na Ghana fo so ya hwe ade papa, and I can only say let's all take care of ourselves and may he rest in perfect peace.
I spoke to that Akedi just this Friday.
Friday?
Oh, the day he died.
In the morning?
In the morning, yes. So how did I'm booking that Akedi for the show that London, yes. My name is partner, I'm the booking agent here. Ransford, yes, Ransford of the DME group and Ejuman. I've been engaging that Akedi for over 2 months now. They be aminin on a casa.
Wow.
Yes, so just yesterday, na me catch and say they've missed some appointments. Send us we can't get 2 slots for Onunini manager. Because the initial plan was Onunini manager beko. But Oma 2 times I paid in Oma to me uncle, yes. So me catch and say we can't get the 2 slots. Ebenya onu pay for now because onu na ne hu hia pa. Ebia on the other day no ebe try say ebenya ne manager. Ana menini kasa na on kasa ye like ne kasa mu ye you know like shaky kakra. Yes, no so ya any home fano, you know. And I'm so Matthias and the maminjano kakra. Ebi enumere. Yes, ni enkasa, ye kasa, then we'll decide on what to do. Into me partner ni kasa that moment. Because I'm mini manager now and I'm a fair manager now. And I'm catching manager and say, me need that kid kasa so on any cranity ho. But the kasa ni I can and I'm catching okay. We can't get both of you. Ye benya amanda kid, but we'll try yours. Into meaning said that kid ya say, but if you can see ebi or chinana or no so there be or assure me so within an hour or be prepared no na omunkoji yes omunkoji visa no within the next hour. So my friend, my partner Ransford, the boss of DME group, and I'm catching so me on makasa until they should go ahead and prepare the other KD's invite yes on no pay day for now so that we'll find another day for the manager no. The manager in your bar. So many manager in casa many runs for so casa and that Acadian casa friend me and also oh what you say because that many come before so no kwa but to offer him bago so what you say no pebeko into yenye na yenye when I'm say okay cool and one no so around 7 I think 6:37 and runs for friend from London say oh Mati diaba me so there be I say oh oni the other KD manager kasa here but I see that KD a film and me see me crowd can say we film no me see then we film one boss show na say
okay won't
because me need that KD kasa you know no also onu kwa to me boss show so I'm thinking they're having challenges you know and I booked them so na me catch na me need catch anything concerning the artist go on fan me so that I can fast track the process me book you no Jupiter any this new chap that is doing so Yakojo Black doing so well you know and so there be obeka go say mintina ye mintina or ye ni ade are you sure and I mean a mama drink us okay who say me ni kasa earlier not see me who shut down fan but the mama friend the manager be so me I hanged up on my guy and called the manager and I'll catch him say me friend go no fire ni ma me ne fire manager ni ma me ne fire
oh
so mo bawi hospital it's a sad situation but me nyankopon na yedi asida be man ono no nim de oye but on say na my sister can be kakra say the small time ono when who that kid you know she thinks we're troubled kakra and it's true I don't know so only needing come coach here Ziega crack confirm me bibi say he wants like Ghana to blow like Kumasi to come up he seems a little bit concerned and that is where my concern is but obiani sena not here you can't stop people from thinking the way they want to think but me make us say we should protect our mental health okay and you're very very important very 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 important because no matter what you do all you have is now CCR CCR we are nobody's promised the end of the show nobody nobody so promised the end of the show but you are trash CCR
it's true
so make us say we'll say condolences to the family you know and just knowing him this very short time I think he was an amazing person you know it's just that he was bottled up with a lot of things and sa the end the embo bia dey bia me can say nkofo bebre ana yemu bebre ayenam no yedi yadwen aye hard drive yes yedi yadwen aye hard drive ye store nyoma gumu ba adwen no eye processor and say we store nyoma gumu e say we the process nyoma yes into asem tuwa no adwen wo di akompa bomu no hu say na obeyi saade no ana bebia wo no obeyi hu afi bebia no akoba bi ba wo di ade hye wo mu a wo store ade wo mu a wo be ha wo into me catch obi say obi are taking care of their mental health. It's very, very important.
Very important.
One yes, sir.
It's me cool.
Yes, one now obeku obi enku. Wow, because they be out drinking, and sometimes.
It's according to Bulldog Ziega, Friday any NWHA or Tenenka, NWHA or Tenenka, or Nene Cassage said, no, ho ye, and the Sebusia. I didn't go to Fiam to attack. Abanism and Nakadia, at Nakadia, as a Nakadi Nakakudia, at one and unknown. That was Enciedo. So the wire from Mamma, because in this story, the before we are some tea for a high Penyah Black Media.